Alrighty, so just a couple things. You know my motto, less is more, right? So this time around, it's fall. I'm not gonna need a lot of my summer stuff, like life jackets and all that jazz. So obviously I won't be bringing that. So there's gonna be a lot more space in here. But my utility bucket over there, that always comes. Sorry for the glare. But that is first aid kit, heater, extension cord, tie downs for my pop-up privacy tent, and the stakes that go with that. My granddaughter Clém, her seat will stay up the whole time. It'll go here. I've got this pool noodle here, and I actually just stuff it down here so when we're traveling, she can put her things down here, like her iPad or whatever, and it's just not going to slide down to the bottom and she won't be able to reach it. So that's just kind of like a little hack, and it works really well. Anyhow, underneath there is my toilet. Can you see that? It's in the black bag, excuse me. Cat litter. Again, we're going to be at a state park, so just depending on the situation, might not even need to use that. My Alpacool C20 will rest here. It's where it stays the whole time until we go to bed, and then I remove her car seat, put that in the front seat, and this goes right up there on the seat. Nothing in the front seat so far. I'll have a couple 3-gallon water jugs that I'll put in the back of the van. Let's walk back here. Got my kitchen up and my new table here. That's one of my new items, that little 4-foot lifetime table. Oh my word. It's adjustable heights, so that's awesome for cooking and whatever else, but it's gonna be so much better than my other table. And over here just is where I keep my shoes as usual. I just keep everything kind of that's gonna be sandy or wet on this side of the van, so it doesn't get in the way of entering the van and having a dry place to hang out over there. So yeah, this is it so far. Got a few more things to do. Be back in a flash.